Domestic violence, a silent epidemic. Domestic violence is a pervasive social issue affecting individuals and families worldwide. It encompasses physical, emotional, sexual, and physiological abuse within intimate relationships. While both men and women can be victims, women disproportionately bear the brunt of this violence. Understanding domestic violence. Domestic violence is not limited to physical harm but includes coercion, intimidation, and manipulation. The abuse often occurs behind closed doors, making it difficult to detect. Victims frequently endure abuse silently due to fear, social stigma, or financial dependency. According to the World Health Organization, 1 in 3 women globally experience violence in their lifetime. The impact on victims. The consequences of domestic violence are profound. Victims may suffer from long-term physical injuries, mental health issues such as depression or PTSD, and feelings of isolation. Children in abusive households often become silent witnesses, which can lead to emotional trauma and perpetuate the cycle of violence. As Nelson Mandela once said, safety and security don't just happen, they are the result of collective consensus and public investment. Legal and social interventions. Efforts to combat domestic violence require robust legal framework and community support. Laws protecting victims and punishing perpetrators must be effectively enforced. Additionally, NGOs and community programs play a critical role in offering counseling, shelter, and rehabilitation. Education and awareness campaigns are essential in challenging the cultural norms that perpetuate abuse. Breaking the silence. Ending domestic violence requires collective action. As UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres stated, violence against women and girls is a global pandemic. It is a moral outrage. It is a public health crisis. And it is a serious obstacle to sustainable development. Together we can create a world where everyone feels safe and respected. In conclusion, domestic violence is a social ill demanding immediate attention. By promoting awareness, empowering victims, and ensuring accountability, we can pave the way for a safer, more equitable society. Domestic violence is not just a personal issue, it is a social failure. Change begins when we refuse to stay silent and choose to stand together against abuse. Let us be the voice for the voiceless and the strength for the vulnerable. Well said by Andrea L. Johnston. The first step towards ending domestic violence is breaking the silence. If you found this discussion insightful and want to learn more about similar topics, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps us spread awareness and drive change. Thank you for watching.